Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew Rapier here at Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be going over the brand new AT Sound Kit 4. This is a new sample and drum kit which features 808s, claps, cymbals, effects, hi-hats, kicks, loops, some MIDI, percussions, and snares. And it's a little bit more updated from the AT Sound Kit 3 and AT Sound Kit 2. I like the AT Sound Kit 4 a lot, and it's been the pack that I've been mostly using for my 808s and snares as well as percussions as of recently. It does also include a lot of loops, so I think what I'm going to do is just go down through each folder, and depending on the time and how long it takes us to go through each one, we might do something else. So let's pull up the 808 section. I'm going to just go through each 808 section. Each 808 is tuned to the key of C. Some might be like a couple semitones close to C, like a C sharp, but for the most part, everything is in C. So those are the 808s. I'm going to go through the claps real quick. So some more realistic sounding claps, and then some that are just synthetic based claps, or more the traditional 808 style claps. So then we're going to go down to the cymbals. So here are some of the effects now. We put the BPM in there for most of them except riser 1, which you could just move over. It's not so BPM time sensitive. I've been using riser 7 a lot. So hi-hats. Kicks. A lot of these kicks hit really hard. But after you do a little EQ, mixing in your beat, they'll hit even harder. Now the loops, there's a ton. Now I also did include all the free loops that were in the AT R&B and Pop Stimulus pack. That's a free pack for y'all. So all of those loops that are in that pack are also in this pack, that just as a way of, for those of you that may not already have that free pack, or might have missed it, this is another way you guys can get those samples. So I'm just going to click the master, but as you guys could see, you get the stems of every melody loop. So And it's only just playing a little snippet of the loop, but the loop, most of these loops are longer than what I'm playing, but just to give you guys an idea. Oh. We actually used that sample in one of Andrew Spacey's new songs as well, so if you guys want to remake that beat, you guys can. I'm gonna go through those final versions next. There's a ton of samples in here. Here are the vinyl versions, so you guys get an idea. The real difference between the vinyl versions is just more so we did some like slight distortion, some vinyl effects in the background, some like pops, little clicks, things to kind of give it a more warm vintage feel. So you got, just for those of you that want to do more old school based sampling, that's one way. Or if you want to have more characteristic in that like more warmth in that sample, that'd be the way. I'm just gonna leave. They're all the same samples, so they're just like vinylized versions of those. So MIDI, you only get a little bit of MIDI just to help your process, but we figured that most guys probably have enough MIDI from our free kits. So here's more percussions though. I'm a big percussion guy, so I love having percussions in my beats, and I've been using all these percussions in my beats as of recently, especially this perk almost snare one. I love that one. Bees is pretty fire. I like the high plung C a lot one. High plung C 1, 2. This is like a stereoized percussion. So if you got headphones on, it's like this big full sound. And here are the snares. And that's it. That's all the samples, sounds, and loops within the AT SoundKit 4. And it's available now for you guys. I'll put the link down in the description down below. And don't forget, guys, that we also have a whole bunch of free kits as well. All you guys need to do is log in or sign up on the Beat It AT website, which is completely free and should take you no longer than 1 minute at tops, maybe even less. And yeah, so if you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below. I will try to respond to every comment. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you guys cop this drum kit and start making some fire beats with it.